don't know if you remember our last year's video of our potato harvest, but it didn't go so well. But check it out up here. Today we're going to follow up and see how these are doing, because what we did was we dug deep and we trenched them out and did them ground beds. So it should go a lot better. Should go, well, I don't know if it's going to go any smoother digging them out, but it'll be good. Stay with us. So we had some volunteer sunflowers come up. We're gonna put them in the house, make a cute little arrangement out of them. Cut into that guy. Oh, they're pretty though. We'll cook him tonight. So simultaneously, we got to get the Bermuda grass roots out and the potatoes out. Uh-oh.
A baby. A baby mama.
A baby and a mama potato?
What do you think, Sterling? We're in a heat wave. You can't tell. So the difference between this year and last year is we had them in there and we kind of just scooped them out. This year they're in the ground, and so we dug a trench, and I'm back down basically to the bedrock, or the bed dirt, whatever. The ground's getting hard again, so I know that's about how far down I dug. So these potatoes are probably what, like a foot and a half, 2 feet down? Foot and a half, 2 feet, something like that. And what we're going to try to do is, now that we've made room by digging this trench, I'm going to put the fork in and kind of pop it out. Hopefully we don't damage too many potatoes. And we'll see what we're dealing with here. Let's see. Down a grunt worm. Yeah, so we're getting closer to the plant. It's kind of like Easter and archaeology all at the same time. Too aggressive. Look at these guys. So we've cleared this side, we've trenched it back out, and we did pretty good, so not too bad. So we'll have I bet we'll fill, once we do both beds, I bet we fill it up. So now, we'll just begin the process again. We just pull the dirt into this hole, and then trench it in.
Is that good?
Is
that yummy?
Today. Comes out at night.
Glad you're enjoying that.
Yeah, the moon comes out at night. The sun's up. So there's the sun. Okay, whole bed's done. Started in here, raked it over. Got our harvest here. Did it on the other side. So pretty good. You got any ideas? Like, what should we plant in here? Maddie's thinking carrots. I'm thinking carrots. But if you got any other suggestions or ideas, and we've got this bed here and then this bed here, and both of those are going to become open or empty, ready for the fall. Going to let this thing rest for a while. We've stirred up a lot of Bermuda grass. We've pulled out what we could, but as it keeps coming up, we're going to pull it and just kind of give this thing a couple of weeks to rest. It is July 4th. Happy Independence Day. We'll probably wait 2 weeks before we start sowing our fall crops. Anyway, if you like that one, check out this one.